Let's make jalapeno popper, dill pickle, chicken salad. 2 ingredients. 3 cups of cooked chicken, like a rotisserie, added to a food processor, and you're going to pulse it until it is finely shredded. You're going to add black pepper, garlic powder, 8 ounces of whipped cream cheese, half a cup of mayonnaise, and make sure it's Duke's. Half a cup of sour cream. Give this a mix till it's all smooth and creamy. Half a cup of diced pickles, 1/4 cup of sliced green onion, 2 jalapeños, 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped dill, tablespoon of pickle juice, some crumbled cooked bacon, and 1 cup of freshly grated sharp cheddar cheese. Now you're going to fold this all in until it is completely combined. You're going to chill it in the fridge for 1 hour, and we're going to toast some croissants to serve this on. Slice open your croissant, add a little butter, and you're going to pop these in the oven for about 5 minutes at 350, just to toast them. Now that she's toasted, we're just going to pile on our chicken salad. And don't be scared to overstuff this. Put the lid on, and voila. Busting out the seams. Go on ahead and make your plate, baby. Not only is it messy, so good.